Welcome to Tekedia Daily. I'm Ndubuisi, Ekekwe. Our conversation today will focus on Gokada business model. Gokada is a motorbike e-hailing service in Lagos. It makes it possible for people to move from one location in Lagos to another location by using a motorbike. One of the key advantages this company is offering to Lagosians is the opportunity for them to outsmart the legendary troublesome Lagos traffic. So I will be explaining this business, which I wrote a few days ago, what makes it great, why a business model innovation is as catalytic, and most times people that are inventing new technologies at scale. So the first thing first is, what is the challenge that Gokada is trying to confront? There is a friction in the Nigerian transportation system. We don't have a very solid public sector transportation system. Our buses are not optimal, and the logistics largely is broken. So there needs to be a way for us to use a private sector innovation and entrepreneurial energy to fix a problem that has existed for years. The opportunity is huge because Lagos is a very massive nation within a country. Imagine the massive opportunity that one can actually unlock by making it possible that people can see a very solid alternative instead of spending 2 hours on traffic moving from one location to the other. They can easily enter a motorbike and get there as quickly as possible. So the opportunity will come not necessarily by having more vehicles on the road, but by actually looking at ways people can share the valuable ones. And business models are making it possible. And this business model is what I have called aggregation construct, where you are now using new technologies to make it possible to bring people that need services, people that have the services at scale. It's a way of bringing demand and supply so that they can come and attain an equilibrium point where many good things happen. Because of mobile, because of internet, because of cloud, because of software, some of the things that would not have happened many years are happening today. We are seeing a new business paradigm being launched across different industrial sectors daily. And this is the beauty of it. From Airbnb and accommodation to Uber, the use of vehicles, we can also see Gokada using motorbike to make it possible that we can have higher level of efficiency in the intra-city transportation system in Nigeria. The company largely operates in Lagos today, but of course, I believe vividly that they understand that these opportunities are across major markets in Nigeria, from Aba to Onitsha to Oshobo Ibadan to Kano to Kaduna. There is no part of our nation that will not benefit from a higher level of efficiency in our transportation system. The trains are not coming anytime because of the paralysis in the public sector aspect of our government within the Ministry of Agriculture and all Ministry of Transportation and all the sectors associated with providing us with optimal transportation system in the nation. The taxis are not going to fly yet. We know they are building ones, but they are not coming anytime soon in Nigeria. Even if you enter a yellow cab, you are using Uber, you still have to go through the typical routes. The traffic will not respect you because you have a yellow cab label. So Okada is an alternative. And that is the reason why this form or method of transportation has basically grown over the years across different cities in Nigeria. It delivers a higher level of efficiency. Of course, some may say, hey, the government has tried to regulate it in a way that actually undermined that great old energy that Okada brought. Because government has to do regulation because of the level we need to have a higher, safe ecosystem in our transportation network. So I would like to share here what I understand to be the Gokada aggregation construct. Just so by looking at this company and looking at the website, I see that it is trying to transition what has happened in the typical niche space into a digital ecosystem where information and communication technology using mobile apps, smartphones, and algorithms to simplify frictions which have existed for many years. So today, if you want to get a motorbike, you call. Yeah, that's it. And stochastically, they can just come most times. There is no level of predictability or quality of service. And there is no level of training for most of the guys that are riding this. But now Gokada says, I am going to make it possible that if you just need a motorbike, right, just go to our smartphone, which take your smartphone, have a mobile application installed in it, and what do you want? Just indicate where you want to go. And within few minutes, one of these bikes riders will come to you. And when they pick you, they will now take you to the particular location or destination where you're going. Of course, I also believe in future that this one is not offered to my knowledge, that Gokada can now essentially screen some of the typical Okada riders and now see how he can integrate them after they have gone through specific trainings, quality assurance processes into the Gokada network. You know, the beauty of this is that as more people join this network, the more valuable the Gokada network will become. And as it becomes more valuable, more people will come in. So this becomes a positive continuum that delivers a very solid value, not just for the people that are carrying people, but also for the people that are taking the rides. And it is just going to get better because this is a friction which is in every part of the nation. So as Gokada does that, it delivers the opportunity for people to beat traffic. You now can smart Lagos traffic. Good luck. And that is something that makes you really good, feel very good. And it works with trained drivers, reducing the risk involved. And then it also gives you a higher level of safety because when you are working with people who are trained and people who are mindful, then you are now going to ride with higher level of safety. Of course, they also give support in case if there are issues that are not typical, they are always available to help you. So the key here is a business that is built on scalable advantage, a business that is built that it can start from one part of Lagos and it can move from other part of Lagos. And they continue to expand, they continue to add new locations as they make their vehicles, their motorbikes available in those locations. And it's not just going to stop in Lagos. I think they have an opportunity for them to scale around the country. But I do believe that there are capacity to bring in non-branded, if it's possible, top grade ones into their network is going to offer them the opportunity to scale at a very faster rate without having to make sure they have bikes under their control. But of course, if somebody writes them a check, I think they can always do whatever they want to do. So this is the Gokada business model. It's a model that is built on asset-light system, which is driven by digital technologies, making it possible that a platform can serve a customer coming in and somebody delivering the service. And then doing that at a very solid, low marginal cost, connecting them together, and then making it that people can share resources and that delivers a very high value. You are listening to Tekedia Daily. Thank you.